ले लो. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Born Homie Tales, and today's video is again going to be a chatty get ready with me. I'm going to do a very special look today because we have guest on our channel and it's my cat. She's crazy. Most of the time it's during weekdays I shoot in the morning, so around 8 o'clock, but today's holiday, so I'm shooting in the mid time of the day. Still it's cold in Pune. So today's video is special because I'm going to create a look inspired from my cat Lily. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for special appearance in the video. So I'm using AOS Studio Satin Foundation and I just absolutely love this. You just just need a drop. So I recently started using brush and I absolutely love this. I can see it gives a lot coverage than Beauty Blender because absolutely it's so obvious that Beauty Blender absorbs so much product in it, and I'm just loving this fact. So I have decided the resolution of 21 is going to be to use foundation brush to apply makeup. It's not resolution, it's kind of, I'm thinking about switching from Beauty Blender to makeup brush. So you guys, I absolutely love showing my cat. It's actually not my cat, it's my friend's cat, but I absolutely love showing her in this video frequently, but she is doing hot girl shit. Obviously she's playing. So I have foundation on my eyelash. Fine. So I really don't have any brow routine. I just use this Sandy Sunshine Collection eyeshadow palette. From this I use this eyeshadow as my brow. I don't know yet because I'm learning makeup. So, and even I have a good dark eyebrow, so I don't like to use much product. I don't want to waste so much time on my brows. You can see I'm a bit lazy about doing brows. Yeah, but that doesn't mean I don't like my eyebrows. I love it. I got one comment on my video that without contouring and highlighting I can adjust, means highlighting is must, okay, but contouring it's like I don't want to do, then why? So as she wants to know how I do contouring, so this is how I do. I take contouring powder on brush and I just do this, then apply it on forehead and I just leave it like this, and I like to contour. Oh, she's here. Hi, Lily. Yeah, see, hi. So this is how I do nose contouring, and if I want sharp nose contouring, then I just do this, like this, and diffuse it using my hands. I don't like much contouring, so that's why I don't do it, but now I'm doing it for you, one of my subscriber. For you I'm doing this today. Then little bit blush on my nose. You guys ask me now what is in your mind about today's look, so it's absolutely nil. I don't have any idea what I'm going to do today, but right now as it is look inspired from my cat, means how her color combination is. So it's a dark brown and a very light skin color. Like, let's do it without talking. So I'm applying very dark brown shade in my crease line, and currently I'm learning cut crease makeup looks, creative cut crease looks, and I'm seeing a little bit improvement in my makeup. I hope you can see. If you do, then please let me know. Some guys comment on my videos and they are very sarcastic and cute at the same time, and absolutely love such comments, which gives me good as well as bad reviews, and those kind of persons are actually so real in life. So love you guys. Oh, by the way, my cat gives me cat bite. Hi Lily. She's here. So look at this whole journey till now. I have just learned that blending is the way more important. I was not doing that properly. I know, literally I know, but now I get it. If you can see, I think I have learned it till now 30-40% only, but I am improving every day. So you guys, I absolutely love showing you guys my journey on YouTube, and I love, so she's right here. Oh my god. And shoo, what मला विसरून दिलंस तू मी काय बोलत होते ते. So yeah, it's about journey, and I absolutely love showing my mistakes. No one is perfect, so it's not like every day my look is going to be very perfect, but I love to show you guys so that you can say, hey, this is wrong, this is not okay, this is looking so bad. So I literally don't get hurt because I know already I'm learning, and mistakes happens. Everyone learns through mistakes, so you can see I'm learning that. It's my learning phase, and I don't hate you guys at all for commenting bad on my post. Even I know that some looks are not so cool according to me, according to you guys, but still I have posted because I want to show you guys. So maybe someday after watching my videos, my old videos, I'll get inspired, or maybe one of you will get inspired from this, and you will start your own YouTube channel, your journey. You will. Hello there. Hi. Nice to meet you. Maybe you will start your YouTube channel also after watching my journey. So that is the reason behind me starting my channel. And the second reason behind it is that I love art, and makeup is like form of art. She's literally watching what I'm doing. Look at her, how cute she is. This makeup is inspired from my cat's color, so I'm just checking this color is matching to her color or not. This is so cool. I'm just loving this idea. I think she is absolutely loving the idea of this look, and that's why she is watching me dipping my brush into eyeshadow palette and then applying onto my eyes. Talking about this look, I'm still so unsure. Let's see, let's do something to make it looks better. So let's do it. Look at her, what she's doing. Lily, hi baby. Literally queen of accidents. I just put an egg to boil on gas, and I literally forgot as I'm shooting this video, and I hope you guys can understand. Doing eyeliner like this, it's on camera, it's way too hard. So okay, it's fine, it's looking equal, I hope so. Another difficult part. So as it is cat inspired makeup, it has to be cat eye. So I'm going to do this off camera. Obviously I can't do it. If you can do it, then please teach me. I can't, I'm so sorry, but I'm doing this on this eye, and finger crossed, I hope I will not mess this look up. And okay, so bear with this weird faces, huh? Every makeup artist does this. Oh my god. Okay, so this thing I'm going to clean it with concealer, and also this thing. Hi baby. So she's still sitting here and I'm doing makeup. I have cleaned this maze. I hope you can see this difference now. Now I'm shooting. So I'm going to apply this darker shade under my eye. Now I'm going to add some kajal to make it look like elongated eye, just like cat. Oh my god, I am absolutely loving this look. Do not rub like this, do this, and then you will get a lot of required product to apply your mascara. So what I do is upper lash, and then this. That weird face. Okay, so if you guys ask me why I haven't used lashes, then let me tell you, I don't own any eyelashes and I literally don't know how to use it. Whenever I'll buy it, I'll definitely apply lashes. So what we are going to do for lips, so I'm thinking about, see, her nose is so pinky, oh, so pinky tiny. So I think I'm going to Lilo. Top of it, I'm going to use this nude color. It's from Elegance Blue Heaven, and this shade is 11. The earlier shade was 08. So I haven't used any highlighter yet, but still it's looking so highlighting. I don't know why my nose is looking like, oh my god, it's already looking like. I'm using this palette. I showed you this palette earlier while doing my brows. I'm going to mix these two shades like this, and they absolutely love gorgeous. See, this multitasking Chotu eyeshadow palette is amazing. Only one dip of this brush and it gives good highlighting effect. You can see, guys. Oh my god, I'm looking like cat. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, hi, beta ji. How can I do my makeup if she's not in good mood? She's so. So guys, this is my final look inspired from my pet, and I absolutely love this look. I hope she likes it. Do you like it, baby? Do you like it? So I hope that you like this look, and if you do, then please let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. If you try this look, then don't forget to send me your pics or videos, whatever. I will love to watch and I will love to share those looks on my Instagram story. And I hope I haven't bored you. And that's it for the today. So bye guys. Bye guys. See you in the next week's chatty video. I'm thinking about shooting chatty video every week, means at least I'm trying to post. Let's see how it's going to work, because there are some technical difficulties. I mean, I can't say officially on this channel, but yeah, I'll try to put at least one chatty video every week, and let's see how's your response and how it is going to work. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving this look and I don't want to wipe off this look. I hope I have to plan to go somewhere with this look. It's around 3:35 and I don't want to wipe off, so maybe I will go outside at 5 or 6, but let me think about it. So if you guys know cool places in Pune, let me know. If you are from Pune, if you know more about Pune, I'll visit those places with my looks, weird looks, but good weird looks. Okay, see you, bye bye. Love you guys. Keep loving, keep supporting.